Hello creative peoples, Frederick Ritty here, operating as the Unity game dev. I want to give a shout out to Oat Studios, the creators of Adam. It's a short film that shows advanced running capabilities available in Unity. The film looked so good, I actually decided to buy the shirt to support their studio. So today will be a short video discussing the top 5 reasons why you should use Unity as your 2D or 3D game dev platform or game engine. So first, we need to ask the question, what are the top 5 important aspects when choosing a game dev platform? Number 1, there should be an abundance of tutorials. Whether you're just starting out or you're further along the development path, you will always be learning. You need to quickly and easily be able to identify resources that can help you along the way. Resources are created by people, and the more people in your community, the better off you are. When you use Unity, you are in really good hands. Unity has over 4.5 million registered users. Number 2, you should be able to develop 2D and 3D games with relative ease within the same package. So this is a tricky one. You might be starting out just wanting to do 2D or 3D. I started out just wanting to do 3D when I developed my first game, Animal Rampage. It only took me 4 months to learn Unity while I was actually developing the game, which is pretty amazing. But then I changed my mind for the next project and I wanted to do something in 2D. This happens. So I discovered how amazingly easy it was to switch to 2D in Unity when I developed my game Endless Ninja Drop within 1 month, again while learning to do 2D and Unity at the same time. I've never used Unreal Engine 4, but I've heard how it's mainly poised to handle high-end 3D games, but does not do too well on the 2D side. Number 3, code once and deploy to multiple platforms. 7 years ago, when I became a professional game developer, I started out the hard way when I built my own game engine for my 2D game, Minesweep Jet Hero. I developed natively in Xcode using Objective-C and third-party 2D frameworks like Cocos 2D. It took me 1 year to build that game. When I wanted to port it to Android, I discovered it will take me another 6 to 12 months to code that natively in Java. What a pain. That project stopped dead in its tracks. I started researching different platforms, and that's when I stumbled upon Unity. Besides having 2 versions of the in-app purchase and leaderboards code, which accounts for about 5% of overhead, I was able to easily easily build cross-platform iOS and Android versions of the game. You can now port your games to the following 17 platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, WebGL, Tizen, Mac, Linux, Web Player, Google Cardboard, Oculus Rift, PSVR, PS3, PS4, Xbox, Samsung TV, Android TV, and Wii U. Number 4, be free to start with. We all love free stuff, yes, yes, yes. So I remember back in the day during the .com boom, it was very difficult to find free to try software, except sometimes in the educational space. That led many people to pirate software who were desperate to learn something but could not afford it. The times have changed and the world is a better place for it. Unity has the following 3 price models. Unity Personal, which is free for companies making less than $100,000 per year. It comes with a made by Unity splash screen, instead of your own splash screen at the beginning, but you can add a secondary splash screen if you want with your company logo. With the free version, you can also deploy to all 17 platforms. The second price model is Unity Plus. It costs $35 a month with a 12-month commitment. If your company has a $200,000 revenue or funding cap, you can subscribe to this model. You also have the option of removing the Made by Unity splash screen, and you get access to the Plus tier services. The third and final price model is Unity Pro. It costs $125 a month with a 12-month commitment. There is no revenue cap imposed. Again, you have the option to remove the Made by Unity splash screen, and you also get access to the Pro tier services. Finally, number 5. The platform should have a great asset store. I absolutely love the Unity Asset Store. There are over 15,000 assets available for purchase and free downloads. This includes scripts like AI pathfinding and 2D and 3D assets. For my 3D game Animal Rampage, I purchased an animal pack for $125 that came pre-animated with a ton of awesome animations. For my 2D game Endless Ninja Drop, I actually purchased a demo of a game that I altered into a never-ending game that gets more difficult as you fall down. I wanted to see how quickly I can take an existing game template and turn it into my own vision. It took me about 4 weeks, not too bad. So go on and check out Unity at unity.com. I hope you like it and end up creating some amazing games.